Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, July 29th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold dollar, I definitely still think this is a 1-2. I think this is a wave 3. Maybe the wave 3 really is over. Either way, I definitely think that we need to make a wave 4, and we need to make a wave 5 to finish off the trend that started back here. So I definitely still think we have a long time before this uptrend is actually complete. Going down to the weekly time frame, it does look like a wave 1, it looks like a wave 2. Probably this is a wave 3. Most likely this is an ABC of 4 forming now before we actually go back up and make that wave 5. I was still originally thinking that this was a wave 5 of wave 3 and that it was going to go up to the 161.8 or on this time frame the 61.8, right around the 25.50 area to finish off this wave 5. So we definitely need to keep an eye out for that on sort of time frames just in case it does decide to just keep on going up and it does not decide to go down and make a wave C like I have drawn out here. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, it definitely looks more like it's going down now. To me, it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ways down here. Almost a perfect 5 ways down. Looks like a wave A. This looks like a 1, 2, 3 pattern to the upside. Looks like a wave B. Kind of seems to me, especially with this breaker structure to the downside, that it's more likely now that it's going to keep on going down for a wave C of wave 4 before it actually goes up for the wave 5. Now, it definitely seems like that is the most likely scenario, but based on that weekly, monthly time frame, I honestly still would not be surprised if it did just keep on going up and this really was the wave 5 like I was originally forecasting. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame definitely kind of looks like there could be like a wave 1 in here someplace, and that this actually could be a wave 2 that we're currently in. If this is a wave 2, it might even be like an expanding flat or something because it kind of looks like this is a trend. This right here looks like almost a perfect 5 waves. So that's why I'm kind of like wondering if this is like a big old running flat or something, and that when we get the end of this trend, it's probably going to be the continuation of the downtrend for a wave 3 of wave C. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, we do have interest rate coming out this week for the US dollar on Wednesday. That's going to be a very big news event, and the US dollar pairs are probably going to be waiting for that, meaning that they're probably going to be a little bit on the slow side. I think this right here is likely a 1-2. I think this is likely a wave 3, which means this is probably now in a wave 4, and it's probably going to go up at least one more time for wave 5. Then if it goes down, break structure like that, then I would definitely stop looking for longs, and I would definitely start looking for shorts again for the continuation on the downtrend. Like I was just showing on the 4 hour time frame, I suspect that this is actually a wave 1 over here, and that this is actually like a running flat wave 2. And when we get the end of this trend right here, which I actually think is a wave C of a running flat, it's probably going to be the end of a wave 2 and the beginning of another downtrend for a wave 3 of wave C. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.